Hey y'all, Pat here. Just wanted to come at you with a quick tip when you're trying to maneuver content blocks within LeaderGuide Pro or table rows within Word, Outlook, or OneNote. Let's jump right in and see how this works. All right, here we are. We're in a LeaderGuide Pro document sitting in Word. So how do we go about doing this, right? It's 2 steps. 2, right? Chuck Woolery, 2 and 2. We're going to put our cursor in the cell block that we want to move, or in the table row we want to move. So step 1, cursor where you want it to be. Step 2, hold down Alt, Shift, and either the up arrow or the down arrow, and push it as many times as you want to move it to the row where you want it to be. And that's it. In a Word document, same functionality. Put your cursor where you want it to fall, hold down Alt, Shift, and then click the up arrow or the down arrow to move. OneNote, you want to do this. You want to do it the same way. Cursor in the row you want to move. Alt, Shift, up and down, and it will move to where you need it to be. And finally, in an email, in the table, put your cursor where you want it to be. Alt, Shift, and move where you need it to be. How easy was that? You're not going to work with table rows the same anymore. If you found this helpful or want future tips on LeaderGuide Pro or Microsoft 365, or want to join my live stream, take a moment and subscribe to my YouTube channel below.